Let us know about chatting applications. Chat refers to the process of communicating, interacting, or exchanging messages. Online chatting provides an opportunity for expressing our opinions, testing attitudes, and exploring identity and social relationships online. Through instant messaging, texting, and posting comments online is common. And the need of the day now. Moderate use of internet and a balance between offline and online lives is crucial. For adding our life and work, while minimizing the risks and harm of frauds and threats. Nowadays, we are using many chat applications to turn social distancing into distant socializing. Some commonly used chat application examples are WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, Google Hangouts, and Discord. A brief history of chat applications. In 1996, Israeli company Mirabilis launched ICQ, a text-based messenger that was the first to really reach a widespread market of online users. The name ICQ derives from the A's I seek you. ICQ allowed multi-user chats, file transfers, a searchable user directory, and much more. AOL America Online acquired Mirabilis and ICQ in 1998. In April 2010, AOL sold ICQ to Digital Sky Technologies, while ICQ was displaced by AOL Instant Messenger. Let us understand common types of chats. IRC, Internet or Instant Relay Chat. Web Chat Java, Instant Messenger Chat. IRC is a service that allows people to chat with each other online. It is a great way for individuals and teams to communicate and work together. It operates on a client-server model where individuals use a client program to connect to an IRC server. The clients all use the IRC protocol, a set of agreed-upon rules for communication. Web Chat Java. A web chat is a system that allows users to communicate in real time using easily accessible web interfaces. It is a type of internet online chat distinguished by its simplicity and accessibility to users who do not wish to take the time out to install and learn to use specialized chat software. This trait allows users instantaneous access, and only a web browser is required to chat. Instant Messenger Chat. Instant messaging technology is a type of online chat that offers real-time text transmission over the internet. It is a software utility that allows a user to communicate by sending text messages, files, and images. Instant messaging is popular and growing rapidly due to the evolving technologies and technical advancement. Being smart online means being aware of the potential threats, opportunities, and risks that might occur without losing sight of the things that are most important in our lives. How one communicates, how much and what kind of information is shared depends on the equation and level of trust people have in one another. It is very important to choose online friends wisely. Be wary of new online friends. Do not trust them easily because who knows who they are? There are many cases of people faking identities with not so good intentions. They may be strangers who wish to gain all your information and misuse for their personal gains. There may also be people known to you who wish to dig out more information out of you and then betray. Now, let us know about the various risks and threats of using messaging applications. Virtually, No messaging app sends your messages in clear text format. All platforms use some form of encryption to scramble messages and prevent unauthorized parties from reading them. But not all forms of encryption are equally secure. Some of the major threats of using messaging applications are viruses and worms, leakage of sensitive information, authentication spoofing, identity theft, inappropriate content, bullying and harassment. What are the guidelines for safe chatting? Here are some safety measures to be followed while using chatting applications. Always download or install your app from a trusted source or site. Use latest version of chat applications and always keep them updated. Check the default settings in your chat room and keep them as strict as possible. Always install a good antivirus software on your smartphone or other handheld devices. Use a user ID that does not reveal your real name or gender, phone number, or other personal information. Review the content that you wish to share online and only provide information that is essential and necessary. Do not accept friend requests or chat with strangers, those who are not in your contact list. Don't get together with someone you meet in a chat room. Meeting strangers online could be fun, but is not safe. Take responsibility for your online communication. Avoid sharing posts that are fake, offensive, or obscene. Forward information or posts only after verifying the source and contents. Don't click links, downloads, or open attachments sent by unknown users via chat. Don't say anything you wouldn't want the public to know. This includes your full name, your address, and other credentials. If someone says or does something creepy, block them immediately and don't respond. Report it to an interested adult, your parents or teachers. Today, the internet is a necessary evil of modern times. We definitely cannot live without it in. Neither can we ignore the risks and threats that come along with it. So make sure you take all measures to protect your devices and keep your data safe with passwords and PIN numbers. Follow all the safety guidelines and rules we have discussed here in the chapter. There is almost always more that you can do to keep yourself safe on the internet. But if you keep in mind what we have learned, you should find yourself surfing the web much safer than before and hopefully reap the benefits of that security. Thank you and be safe.